Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a specific audio accessory, the Jantoy 3.5mm audio cable, which is highlighted for its compatibility with the Vizio SB3851-D0 soundbar. This cable serves a straightforward but essential function, connecting various audio sources, such as personal computers or other devices with a standard 3.5mm auxiliary port, directly to the Vizio soundbar. It's designed to provide a reliable wired connection for audio playback. One of the practical aspects mentioned is its design for easy carrying and storage. The description suggests it avoids becoming a messy or tangled cable, which is a small but significant convenience for users who might need to move or store it. The cable is described as a high-quality 3.5mm 1/8-inch audio AUX cable lead cord, implying a focus on delivering clear audio. A notable point emphasized is the product safety. It's stated to have international quality certification, meeting top industry standards. This includes built-in safety mechanisms designed to protect against common electrical issues like short-circuiting, over-voltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. This focus on safety adds a layer of confidence for the user. The cable features an auxiliary connector type, which is standard for 3.5mm audio jacks. While a light special feature is listed, this could be interpreted as the cable being lightweight and easy to handle, contributing to its portability. The brand is Jantoy. It's important for anyone considering this cable to pay close attention to the note provided. Always make sure to check the specific model of your device before buying to ensure compatibility, especially with the Vizio SB3851-D0 soundbar it's intended for. Overall, this Jantoy 3.5mm audio cable presents itself as a purpose-built accessory for connecting audio sources to the specified Vizio soundbar, emphasizing ease of use, quality, and safety features. For users needing a reliable wired audio link to their Vizio SB3851-D0, this cable aims to provide a simple and secure solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.